Summer is here, and that's fantastic news. But actually, hang on a minute. It's bloody freezing. That's better. Anyway, it's summer. Isn't that great? However, it does mean that the weekly English practice is now over. This is the last one until autumn, until the end of September. So this week's weekly English practice is all about how you can use the ECP website to practice your English during the summer. Here's a guide. Hope you enjoy it.
At EnglishCoachingProjects.net, you can see the main menu at the top, and in the sub-menu for the weekly English practice, you have two options. If you click on the weekly English practice option, you'll see a carousel of the latest weekly English practices. There are 30 odd weekly Englishes that you can access there using the right and left arrows. Click on any one of the options to bring up the article. You'll see the video you can watch, you see the vocabulary, the audio, the main text and the questions at the end. You can download the PDF too. Just below the carousel you have the search function. You can put in any word, for example summer, and lots of different articles will pop up. It's quite amazing actually how many articles have included the word summer over the years. Have an explore of those articles. Think of any word, put it into the search box and see what comes up. You can also search month by month. Just pick a month and a year, click on that and see what comes up. For example, this is October 2014. There'll be 3 to 5 articles every month. And there's even a link to our old blog which contains articles going all the way back to October 2012. Going back to the sub-menu, if you click on videos and resources, you get taken to this page which gives you access to over 400 exclusive videos that we've made at English Coaching Projects to help you learn vocabulary, practice your grammar and your listening skills in a variety of ways. Here's an example from our Let's Reduce Your Spanglish series of videos. Use the playlist in the top right hand corner to choose one of the videos. It will then begin to play, and after closing the playlist you can decide if you want to watch the video on YouTube, directly on our channel English Coaching Co-op, or directly on the website. Here's another example with our Quick Jokes series of videos. Choose your video from the playlist, and then when you're watching the video, after closing the playlist, you can use the full screen function. As well as Let's Reduce Your Spanglish and Quick Jokes, we have funny expressions, we have all the weekly English practice videos, we have our Fred Talks, we have the ECP Chronicles, so many different videos. Here's another example with funny expressions. A great option is to activate the YouTube captions, and even if they're auto-generated, they can be a great help to understanding the video.
What is the inventor of hand sanitizer doing right now? Well, I think they are rubbing their hands together. So rub your hands together.
I hope that quick guide of the resources on the English Coaching Projects website is really useful for you, and you can use it during the summer to keep your English up to date, to not completely lose the habit of doing a little bit of studying every week. Thanks very much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic summer. See you soon. Bye.
Have a good summer.
Have a nice summer.
Have a great summer.
Have a great summer.
Enjoy the summer, everyone.
how to use the ECP website to practice this summer. Have you ever visited the ECP website? If not, you are missing a host of free resources that you can use to practice your English this summer. Here's a guide to help you. Summer is here, and that means that your favourite way of practicing your listening, reading and writing skills will be taking a break until the autumn. But don't worry, English Coaching Project's weekly English practice, say that 3 times in a row without making a mistake, will be back at the end of September, new and improved and better than ever. In the meantime, why not use the resources that you can find on the ECP website to practice during the summer months? Here's a quick guide to help you find what you need. Weekly English Practice blog. Choose Weekly English Practice from the website menu and you will see that just below the introduction there is a carousel that lets you choose from the last 30 odd WEPs. Use the left-right arrows. Below the carousel you have 2 different search functions where you can access all our WEPs since October 2014. By word, search articles, or by month, month by month. There is also a link to our original WEP blog with articles and audios from 2012 to 2014. Enter a word, for example summer, and any article that contains it will appear. You'll be surprised what articles have mentioned the word summer. Just choose a word and explore the articles. All the texts have an accompanying audio, and any article since October 2017 will have an introductory video too. We recommend watching that first before reading the text and writing your answers and opinions to the questions at the end. Since October 2020, the videos include the text and audio too, making things even easier. Recommendation. Why not explore a little and choose 5 articles to watch, read and listen to this summer? Write down your answers to the questions, save them in a text document and send that to your ECP coach at the end of the summer. Videos and resources page. In the Weekly English Practice submenu, you can choose Videos and Resources to access over 400 videos. 400! These are designed to help you practice grammar, vocabulary and listening skills in a variety of ways. All the videos are hosted on our YouTube channel, English Coaching Co-op, and can be accessed on your phone, tablet and computer at any time. As well as the aforementioned WEP videos, you will find the following series of videos. Our series of Reduce Your Spanglish videos that will help you correct typical mistakes, the hilarious and educational Quick Jokes and Funny Expressions series where you can practice vocabulary and typical expressions while learning new jokes, our famous Fred Talks presentations where coaches, students and special guests give short talks about fascinating subjects, the documentary series What Are You Still Doing Here?, in which ECP coach Rob interviews Giddies who came to the Basque Country many years ago and decided to stay here. There are also some links to a few other websites that have great and free resources, such as the BBC, EnglishHilfen.de and Amigos Ingleses. Recommendations. 1. Use the subtitles captions option in YouTube to help you understand the videos. The auto-generated subtitles are not always perfect, but they are still very useful. 2. Watch the videos 2 or 3 times and write down the words and expressions you learn or don't initially remember. Repeat them and record your voice to practice saying them. 3. Write summaries of the different episodes and presentations, save them in a text document, and at the end of the summer, send them to your ECP coach. Thanks for sharing your language journey with us this year. And if we don't see you in July, have a great summer and see you again at the end of September. Bye! Here are this week's questions. Do you plan to practice English over the summer? If so, how? If not, why not? Have you ever used the resources that are available on the ECP website or on our YouTube channel? What resources have you used online to learn and practice languages? What resources would you like ECP to produce in the future? How would you relax this summer?